Hey everyone, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you an unboxing of a new service that I discovered. It is a book lover's dream. It is called BookCase.Club. If you're curious to learn more about this service, please continue watching this video. So let's get into some of the specifics about the box. It costs $9.99 for the 2 books that you will receive once a month. It does not, however, include shipping. So the total cost of this box for the 2 books is $9.99 plus shipping. So my total cost ended up being $16 and I believe 4 cents. I'm excited to see what I get. I cannot say if it's worth it yet because this is my first ever box. It's the January box. I ordered it late December. So this is actually the January box. I'm super excited. So it's an easy service to walk through to choose the books that you want. You have to choose a theme that you want, or basically the genre of books that you want to read. You choose what your term of service will be. It could be monthly, it could be every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months, and then the price, of course, changes with each of that. Right now, I am currently doing the monthly subscription, which is the $9.99, then plus the shipping, which is the $16.04, and then you read the books and you have them. So I'm super, super excited. There are a lot of different genres that you can choose from. There's romance, there's paranormal romance, there are kids books, there are thriller or suspense mystery type of things. So there's several different categories that you get to choose from. Another thing that I did read up about is that, okay, so 1 month you're interested in a mystery and maybe next month you want to do maybe a romance. You can change it as long as you do it before the next charge date. You will be charged by the 10th of the month, and then the books are usually sent out by the 1st of the next month. So kind of intrigued to see what I got. So that is some of the background, some of the information. And if you see the extra glow right here, I'm looking at my iPad so I can read some of the facts to you so I don't mess it up for you. So I do want to verify and double check on those things so that you get the correct information. So now let's dig in and see what we have. So the box comes in like so. BookCase.Club is the website that you would go to sign up for this box, and it's a pretty big box for it. And then you open it up, and all I did was cut the tape prior to filming today's video. So on the inside, it looks like this. It comes with tissue paper like most subscriptions do. And it just says take pictures and share, #BC unboxing. And that's kind of what that says right there. Most subscription boxes have something on the inside of the box. Okay, so let me unwrap and see what I got. Again, the genre or theme that I decided on was the thriller / mystery. Oh, the very first book is an actual hardback book. So, and the other one actually. So both hardback books for less than $16 is pretty much unheard of, because on just the pricing on the back for this one book is over $25 for the hardback. So that in itself just paid for this entire box. So this book is Crimson Lake. It's by Candace Fox. Ooh, it's kind of a glare. There you go. So this is the cover of what it looks like without the glare on it. I've never read anything from her, so this is another thing that I like about the box, because it's giving me authors I may never have read before. So some of the authors that I typically like to read, if it's going to be around the mystery or thriller side, is like Lisa Jackson or Kay Hooper. Those are some of the people I've read, so I'm interested to see what Crimson Lake is about. Let's see what it says. So about this book, so accused but not convicted of a brutal abduction, Sydney detective Ted Concoffey is now a free man. And public enemy number 1. Maintaining his innocence, he flees north to keep a low profile amid the steamy, croc-infested wetlands of Crimson Lake. There, Ted's lawyer introduces him to eccentric private investigator Amanda Farrell, herself a convicted murderer. Not entirely convinced Amanda is a cold-blooded killer, Ted agrees to help her with her investigation, a case full of deception and obsession, while secretly digging into her troubled past. The residents of Crimson Lake are watching the pair's every move, and the town offers no place to hide. So that actually sounds incredible, so I can't wait to dig in to this book. Again, I'm trying to broaden out my range because I have my standbys, steady authors that I absolutely love. And I want to get into more of those and some other videos that I want to do for you guys as well on my channel, so I'm excited about that. This next book, it has actually a matte cover, so I don't feel like I'm going to blind you as much. Another hardback book. This book is called Rag Doll. It's by Daniel Cole. So one detective coming apart at the seams. William Wolf Fox gets the case of a lifetime, a case that could restore his once enviable reputation. He and his former partner, Detective Emily Baxter, arrive at a crime scene where the body is made of the dismembered parts of 6 victims, sewn together, a corpse that becomes known as the Rag Doll. Wolf is tasked with identifying the 6 victims, but that is complicated with his ex-wife, a popular journalist, anonymously receives a list of names and the dates on which the ragdoll killer plans to strike next. The final name on the list is Wolf. Baxter homes in on figuring out what links the victims together before the killer strikes again. But for Wolf, seeing his name on the list, it reignites his most self-destructive instincts as he races against the clock to stop this twisted, elusive killer. With a breakneck pace, endless surprises, and a wicked sense of humor, Ragdoll is an absolutely unforgettable debut. So it sounds like maybe a newer author that is making a debut with this. So another thriller crime type book. So I am curious to see, again, another author that I'm not familiar with. If you've read anything from either Daniel Cole or Candace Fox, I would love to hear what recommendations you would have, you would make for these 2 authors. Leave those comments down below. I'm curious to see what you guys like or enjoy to read, who some of your favorite authors are. So let us get us a conversation started down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. So that kind of wraps up my video for today. I hope you really enjoyed it and would consider subscribing before you leave. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this unboxing. Until next time, bye.